So, so based on the math and everything we're looking at, this 29.25, my primary target. And then even though 33.25, 34 shows up as T1, I was thinking for IB, if we could get to the 29 to 31 zone, be happy. I'm just thinking conservatively, because we've come a long way. And because at my age, I am conservative. What can I say? I stop at red lights. I count to 3 before I go out into an intersection. So for me anyways, I was hoping that if this held back here, we could get to that, a couple points higher. Normally I'd think a lot higher, but I don't know. I'm just feeling like this is a nice target. Make sure you get paid during IB. You may need to do some backing and filling and whatever. And we do have completion targets right here near this 30, 31. So anything above 29.25, I'm going to say is gravy. And we'll let the Yahoos, go get their screaming trades. We may need to just do a little, quiet chopping and backing and filling before going any higher. And one of the things I like to do is make sure if I take some risk that I get paid for it. So at the very least, move your stops up. And nice trade if you took the morning after trend day. Let's buy, pull back for a little bit. Don't go crazy trying to do everything in all one swing. And I think for me, the 10-minute chart was probably the most helpful. Time is at 10:25. Keep an eye on time. And then a reminder, the goal line gets harder. And today's Friday. Make sure you get paid. I said I think we'll get that target 29.25 to 31.5. I think we'll get it by 11. So comes early, take it. And this was a tough week for the shorts. And it was nice of the market to wait for us. A little bit of our stolen range, but it was nice of it to wait for us. So on Twitter asked me yesterday, what do you think they're trying to do? I said, they're trying to take out the 28, test the 32s. So that trade's playing out. 30-minute chart, a good one. And Mike and I talked early. We said the 60-minute chart we like. Really a good chart today. 120 still rocking and rolling. And it's keep an eye on time. Anybody that's got to this 31 zone, make sure you get paid. And RTH chart, 2-minute chart I've got on right now. And like they say, near enough for government work. So anybody that gets into this 31 Primary target I had today, I wanted to get up, bust stops and grab a few points. And usually if you can bust those stops, you're going to look into that 31 to 32 range as your next target. And sometimes you don't get what you want, you know. Sometimes it'll fool you. But 2-minute chart right now seems to be helpful. I want to back it off, put a 3. And the 5, of course. Best chart here, 10. You know, a little power chart. And move stops up. And we're going to keep 26 as aggressive support right now. And never give away, you know, if you work for an hour, make sure you get paid. So what I'm referring to here is just move your stops up. Well done. And end of the IB, so make sure that you're getting paid. And we can go to any high today, but for my primary target, like I said, 31.5, 31.25. And so juice above. And there will be position squaring by the end of the day. So traders that, you know, work the first hour and get paid, I would say give it, you know, give it another 15, 20 minutes and make sure you lock in the majority of what you've got. And disregard the cheerleaders. I'm not even looking out on Twitter right now. Disregard the cheerleaders and yelling and screaming. It's a business. And many different methods will see different things. And all you try to do is go along with the flow. All right, my target has been achieved, and like I said, we can go to any high. T1 today. I've got at 33.25, but happy into the 31 to 32 range. Stops up. A little ahead of ourselves on this 10-minute chart. Well done.